Hey, digital marketers, affiliate marketers. Artificial intelligence, AI, is transforming how affiliate marketers operate, making promoting products and increasing commissions easier.
AI can streamline tasks like content creation, driving website traffic, and managing campaigns, tasks that would otherwise be time-consuming. One major benefit of AI is automation. Many repetitive tasks, such as posting content, responding to emails, and optimizing ad campaigns, can be handled by AI tools. For example, AI can suggest the best subject lines to maximize email engagement, or even create product descriptions and reviews automatically. Another advantage of AI is its ability to drive traffic to websites and affiliate links. AI tools enable marketers to create SEO-friendly content, build backlinks by answering online questions, and plan complete traffic and promotional campaigns. AI-generated promotions improve the chances that potential customers will click on affiliate links and make purchases, increasing the potential for commissions.
In summary, AI helps affiliate marketers by automating tasks, building traffic, and delivering professional content, which leads to more effective strategies and better results. Subscribe now to AI Money Flows and turn AI into your ultimate money-making machine. Don't miss out. Your financial freedom starts here.